Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the wall and cutting your first strip. Clean thoroughly, fill any holes, and sand smooth so adhesive sticks. Measure the wall height and add 4 inches for trimming at top and bottom. Cut the first panel to that length. Once cut, find a plumb line and align the edge of your first strip to it. You'll stick the top first, peel down slowly, smoothing as you go so the pattern stays true and you avoid trapped air. You work methodically. Peel back 6 to 12 inches of backing and press the top onto the wall, then continue peeling while smoothing. Use a soft smoothing tool first to push air out toward the edges, then a firm seam roller over joins to ensure contact. When bringing the next panel alongside, match the pattern, repeat precisely, and butt the seams edge to edge. Do not overlap. Once done, trim excess with a sharp blade along a straight edge to get clean top and bottom finishes. You finish by trimming at the ceiling and baseboard with a fresh blade and a metal straight edge, pressing edges firmly after trimming to seal them. Make sure outlets and switches are cut and refitted. Turn power off first. If a corner or seam lifts, apply gentle heat or a bit of adhesive on the backing, press and roll to reseal. Troubleshooting tip: if alignment or bubbles are severe, peel that panel off within 10 to 15 minutes and reposition. Peel slowly to avoid stretching the material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.